Hey, here is the printing and dye sublimation process at Backdrop Source. Our comprehensive printing process seamlessly integrates ink absorption into polyester fabric, resulting in a permanent, soft, and non-reflective finish. This enhances image quality with excellent color reproduction and resistance, offering a perfect blend of durability and visual appeal. Additionally, our dye sublimation technique involves printing a design with sublimation inks on transfer papers, which is then placed on a polyester material. Through a press machine applying heat and pressure, the inks transform into gas, creating a high quality, vibrant, and permanent print on the material. Together, these processes ensure the perfect synthesis of enduring quality and captivating aesthetics in our fabric printing.